Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing really great and are safe at your homes. तो इस बार वीडियो थोड़ा अलग तरीके से शूट कर रही हूँ एक्चुअली शूट नहीं कर रही हूँ ऑलरेडी ये फ़ोटोज़ पिक्चर्स मैंने क्लिक की हैं एंड इसके थ्रू आई विल बी टेकिंग यू ऑल फॉरवर्ड विद मी जैसे कि आपने टाइटल में पढ़ लिया ऑलरेडी कि आई एम रिक्रिएटिंग मोनिका's looks from the famous web series and my all-time favorite Friends. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first outfit over here is actually from the episode where there's this very attractive cousin of Ross's and Monica who has actually come to stay with them for a couple of days, and I don't need to tell you exactly what happens. I'm sure you might be aware of it. Why I chose this look is because in this particular frame, her face looks very enlightened, and the couple of photos which I was actually looking out, for recreating, this one I found very refreshing, and also I had almost the same outfit for a dress, which is actually really great. So yeah, this is this. Then coming back to the second one. So the second one actually is, yes, the thumbnail. Why I chose this one is obviously I had the same shirt, but I really loved this episode and also a couple of episodes before this one, because in these episodes and particularly in this one, there is a different kind of a bond we can see developing between Monica and Chandler. And this one scene is where I guess it's at the beach house, wherein they both are talking about stuff, and you could actually sense the depth of their relationship there. So really love this one. Also the vibe over here which Monica is actually portraying is really cool and chic, and still she makes a statement. So yeah, that is why this look. Okay, so this one, the third one, is actually one of my favorites. Why I'd say? Because throughout the season we can actually sense the evolution of Monica's style. She was more into t-shirts and graphic t-shirts and very over the top layering kind of stuff in the starting seasons, but as the season progressed, the series progressed, her dressing sense quite of was balancing as that of Rachel's. So this one I really like because it's one of the first seasons of the entire series wherein she was into the t-shirt zone, and really loved actually the whole vibe of the black and blue, which Monica has actually worn quite a lot in the entire series. So yeah, and black and blue, this combination never goes out of style, so that's why. Okay, so coming down to the last one. Now this image is actually, in this one she looks so cute, don't you think? And also why I chose this one is because in the phase wherein she was actually going into depression, she was very sad because she was in a difficult situation with Richard, and also broke up after that because of the whole children fiasco. You might be knowing about it. So in that particular phase she was actually unwell, and at that point also she was messy and everything, but still she looked so presentable. And this is one of the few looks wherein she also, further, if you proceed ahead, so she holds a cigar as well, and there is all this breakup sobbing story going on. So I love this one, the kind of expression she portrays and everything, and really love the hairstyle as well. It's very messy. I tried to make it, but my hair it's like too long, and she had a quite short cut, but still I tried to just figure it out something or the other. I tried to gel it up, and yeah, this is the whole look, and let me know how you find this one. This was it. I tried recreating 4 of the looks of Monica Bing, and I actually wanted to start off with Rachel, but then somehow it just struck my mind that I should go ahead with Monica. So do let me know in the comment section below how did you find this one, and Friends as a series has a very special and important place in my heart, and I'm sure it must be having a special place in your hearts too. So let me know. A fun fact that in all these looks which I have shown in the video, there are turning points which actually progress the season forward. So do let me know if you could make out those points, and in the comment section below I would love to read them, and which is your favorite season of so yeah. And also I mentioned Monica Bing because as Ben would mention it to her, it actually has a rhyme to it. So yeah, that is why I quoted her as Monica Bing, and she's one of the what I would say, obviously the most important characters, but the kind of vibe she has very much resonates the same with my mother's. So she actually has a very special place in my heart, and so that is why. And I'm actually looking forward to making this kind of a series with all the characters. Let me know if you'd like to suggest which one to go next, and till then, the next time we meet, take care of yourself, and bye.